was all a bit of a shock for the family. Back in June, wasn't it, Sarah, that you suddenly realised that Scott had this illness?
Yeah, it was just so sudden, like a big shock to the system. We took him home after getting married. 4 days later, he was covered in bruises, so we took him to the hospital and they told we had aplastic anemia. So it was absolutely devastating.
And since then, you've had to try and keep him inside, keep him away from bugs and everything.
We've been out maximum 1 day and then we just come back constantly. So now we're just keeping him in until he goes into the bubble. And
the bubble, I mean, Scott, you're going to have this operation. I mean, do you know what's going to be going on?
Well, when I'm in the bubble room, it's like a germ-free zone, and like it's a good place to like protect us from germs.
So it's going to keep you safe, and I mean, you're going to be away from people for a while, but you know it's going to be for the right reason, don't you?
Yeah.
You know it's good. And what's your sister doing for you?
She's going to save my life.
She's going to save your life?
She's going to give us her bone marrow.
She's going to do that. Courtney, did you know that you're really important? What are you going to do for your brother?
Make him better.
You're going to make him better. You really want to see him better, don't you? It's really important. Well, Julie Guest, who is the specialist stem cell nurse here at the hospital, is with us this morning. Julie, just explain in really easy terms, if you can, what's going to happen.
What's going to happen is that Scott's going to come into hospital. He's going to have some chemotherapy so that his bone marrow is removed, the stuff that's not working properly. The chemotherapy is going to take that away, and the new cells from Courtney's bone marrow are going to go in like a blood transfusion, and they'll start working in about 2 to 3 weeks like his bone marrow was working before it became poorly.
Sarah said it's been delayed for a few weeks. That's because Scott picked up a bug, and it's really key that over the next few months he's kept away from all infections just to allow this transplant to take effect and to start to make him better.